Welcome. This is a tour of one of our TRAK K3 knee mills and where we find our tooling. First off, I want to point out that we do have our Kurt vise on our table, and to operate our Kurt vise with this knob right here, we need to come over here and grab our handle. Our handle's hanging off our tooling cart. Now our carts, which is more like a shelf, is always located to the left of each one of our knee mills. So everything we need for this knee mill is to the left of the machine. So let's walk over and take a look. First thing we see is the handle for our vise. Soon we're going to have a bracket to hang our file and a hook to hang our chip brush. Because remember, we never wipe chips off a table with our hands. We'll get cut. Always use a brush. On top of our cabinet, we're going to find end mill holders ranging from 1 inch down to a 1/4 inch. So these end mill holders, notice we have a 3/4 inch end mill in this end mill holder. That's fine, just be aware that those are sharp. To the left of our end mill holders, we're going to find our chuck. And right now we've got our key located in our chuck. Great place to keep it, but we're going to also find a location for that somewhere here so it's out of the way when we're using the chuck. In addition to that, we have a dial indicator set right here. That'll be used in another video along with everything else. In front of our end mill holders, we'll find our collets. And these collets range all the way from 1/8 inch all the way up to 7/8. So from 1/8 inch to 7/8 of an inch. We'll be using those as well. In the first shelf down, in the first box, we will find end mills. So these are located in here. If we pull this out and take a look at it, we lay it right on the table of our machine, and we will find that we have 2 flute and 4 flute end mills. As we use things, always put them back. So I'm going to slide those right back. To the left of that, we'll find our 1, 2, 3 blocks. We'll find a center drill as well as an edge finder. And again, we're going to find a location for those here soon. Here, we find our parallels. They're located inside this box. And over here, we have a boring bar. The next shelf down, we'll find our coaxial indicator. We'll find a micrometer, vernier, and machinist's scale inside here, as well as a full set of drill bits that include 0 to 60, A through Z, as well as fractions by 64ths up to 1/2 inch. And lastly, on our cart, we'll find a set of hold-down clamps. So again, everything we need for this mill is located immediately to the left of the mill. Again, these mills were donated by TRAK Machine Tool. All of our tools were purchased through funds donated by the Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence and the Schmidt Foundation. Thank you for your donation. They're going to good use.